Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Gadgets Insider. We are coming up with another great video for the best drones for beginners in 2024. Top 5 picks available on Amazon. Number 1. DJI Mini 2. Introducing the DJI Mini 2, an ultralight and foldable drone quadcopter. Weighing less than 249 grams, it's compact and convenient. With a 3-axis gimbal and 4K camera, it captures stunning 12 megapixels photos and smooth 4K, 30 FPS videos. Enjoy up to 10 kilometers HD video transmission. It offers a 31-minute flight time, resistance to level 5 winds, and 4x digital zoom. You can use quick shots for professional-level videos. Elevate your aerial photography with the DJI Mini 2. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 2. Potensic Atom SE. Introducing the Potensic Atom SE GPS drone, a lightweight and foldable drone designed for adults and beginners. Weighing under 249 grams, it doesn't require FAA registration. Equipped with a 4K EIS camera, it captures 12 megapixels photos and 4K 30 FPS videos. The drone features a 62-minute flight time, 4km FPV transmission, brushless motor, and max speed of 16 meters per second. It also offers auto return, advanced flight modes, and PicSync 2.0 for stable video. Unleash your aerial photography skills with the Atom SE. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 3. Stone HS720. Introducing the Stone HS720 GPS drone for adults. This FAA remote ID-compliant drone features a 4K Ultra HD camera with image stabilization. It offers GPS-assisted intelligent flight modes, auto-return home, and a 52-minute flight time with 2 batteries. The foldable design and carrying case make it portable, while the controller provides a 3,000-foot range and LED screen for easy operation. With multi-sensor technology and simple controls, even beginners can enjoy stable flights. Experience the HS720 for creative aerial photography. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 4. Contixo F28 Pro. Introducing the Contixo F28 Pro 4K camera drone, a high-quality aerial photography drone. Capture breathtaking 4K Full HD photos and videos with its 85 degrees FOV camera and adjustable angles. Enjoy intuitive flying modes like Follow Me and Waypoint, along with extended flight time using 2 rechargeable batteries. Built-in GPS control ensures stability, while the durable construction guarantees long-lasting performance. Experience hassle-free customer support for an enjoyable drone flying experience. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 5. Force1 U45WF. Introducing the Force1 U45WF FPV RC drone with camera, an easy-to-fly Wi-Fi drone with VR capabilities. It features a 720 pixels HD camera, 6-axis gyro, altitude hold, and headless mode. Capture crisp photos and videos, perform 360-degree flips, and control the drone with your phone using the Flying C app. The kit includes 2 rechargeable batteries and a 2.4 GHz remote transmitter. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. We are done for today. See you again next time. Thank you.